UPMC Pinnacle Foundation is thrilled to be a finalist for the National Philanthropy Day Awards. Phil Garnishelli is our president, and I was just so pleased that he nominated us for this award, and we're just thrilled for that. We are a foundation that supports UPMC Pinnacle hospitals in Central PA. So it's all 7 hospitals across 11 counties. And I am truly grateful to have an amazing board. It's led by Julie Trogner. Literally in the middle of COVID, we decided to do strategic planning, and it seemed crazy at the time, but I'm so glad we did, because we really identified 3 key areas of our impact, which is community support for those who are most vulnerable in our community. And I feel like that's where most of our funds are used, because with COVID and coming out of COVID, there's so much need in our community. And I often say that community-wide response requires community partnership. We can't do this alone, and so we work with others in our community, such as the Central Pennsylvania Food Bank, the Peyton Walker Foundation, and others, to help provide for those who are most vulnerable. That's kind of one of our pillars. The other 2 is providing lifelong health and wellness opportunities to make sure that people are healthier in their communities. And then last but not least, especially in times over the past 18 months, it's been a very difficult environment for our workforce. And so we invest in workforce opportunities to recruit, train, and retain truly the very best folks that we can. I am probably most honored in that area, because I've got to work alongside the most amazing healthcare heroes truly in this pandemic. And so it's been truly our honor to support them in their efforts to work with others, other not-for-profits in the community. And, I think about the power of philanthropy. I think as we look at the past 18 months, people have been so absolutely generous to the foundation, which allows us then to pass that philanthropy on forward to support those who are most vulnerable and need it, and those healthcare workers who frankly are exhausted at this point, and to continue to try to support their needs and to support the needs of our hospitals going forward. Philanthropy is truly what makes all of that happen. To be honored and as a finalist for something around philanthropy is just, we do feel just completely honored to be considered, because I've always worked in philanthropy for like 20 years now. And I think personally, I understand the importance of philanthropy, and I know this group does. AFP is just an amazing organization. To be able to celebrate philanthropy, especially during times like this, is important. And I'm proud to be part of all of it.